In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a coupon code in Wix. This is a fantastic way to offer discounts and special deals to your customers, ultimately driving more sales to your online store. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to navigate to the Wix website. Open your preferred web browser and type in wix.com. This will take you to the Wix homepage where you can log in. If you haven't yet created an account, you'll want to go through the sign-up process first, which is straightforward. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Now, look for a button that says Select and Edit Site and give that a click. This will lead you to the page where all your sites are listed. Choose the site where you wish to add your coupon code. Now that you're in the site editor, the next step is to find the marketing section. Head over to the left side of your screen and look through the menu options. You should see an option labeled Marketing. Give that a click. The marketing section is your go-to hub for all promotional activities and tools on Wix. Once you're in, look for the button labeled Discounts. This is where you can manage all types of discounts you're offering on your site. Click on Discounts, and you'll be brought to a page that lists all the discounts you've previously created. Now, what you're looking for is a tab that reads Coupons. Click on Coupons, and you'll be directed to an area where you can manage any coupon codes you've already created. And more importantly, where you can add new ones. Once there, look for a button that says New Coupon. Click on this, and Wix will guide you through setting up a new coupon code. You'll be able to customize the name of the coupon code, and you can decide the discount type, whether it's a percentage off or a dollar amount discount. You'll also set where the coupon can be applied, such as on specific products or on the entire order. It's that simple. Continue following the prompts to complete your coupon setup. There are options for setting how long this coupon should remain active, and limitations such as a maximum number of uses or needing a minimum purchase amount. Make sure you configure these settings according to your promotional strategies. Once you've filled everything out to your liking, find and click on Create Coupon to finalize and activate it. There it is. Your coupon code is now live and ready to be shared with your customers to encourage them to take advantage of your awesome deals. And that's it for today. You've successfully added a coupon code to your Wix site. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to optimize your online business.